Hey everybody, this is Adam Schneer, Administrative Voluntary Coordinator. Just give you a quick run through on how to register for your Ministry Service Learning projects. I had a lot of questions, so I figured it'd be easiest just to walk through right on the computer. Uh, the site is fully functional now, which is great. So what you want to do right away is log in. And you can do that just by using your current username and password. And I'm going to show you an example from mine. This is just my North Central login. Logs me into my dashboard. As you can see, I am not currently part of any organization, and I don't have a project that I've joined, and obviously I've not had any updates yet. So what you want to do first is invite a leader, and you're going to click this button, and the only thing you need is your project leader's email address. And so just like a Facebook invite, you're going to invite your leader to be part of this website. So I'm going to type in one of my email addresses and send you and just kind of show you how things go. As you can see, it is just has a basic message from me, but you can type anything here like, "Hey, this is what I was talking about," in reference to the class or whatever. So you send the invite, and you can notice here it has what email you sent it to and what the status is of it, whether or not they've accepted it or not. So, okay, so I just jumped ahead a little bit, and I went and signed on as the leader, and so I submitted a few things. I want to show you what it's going to look like for you, because once you invite your leader, you're going to have to wait until they submit some information for us. What you can do if you log back on after you know that they've kind of submitted some stuff, you can go to your account, and you can look at all the invitations that you've made, and you see that now adam.schneer@gmail.com has accepted the invitation. That's great. That's something you can check and know if they have accepted and done some things or not. So what you're going to want to do is go to your dashboard, and you see there's a few ways to do things on the site. What you first want to do is find the project you're looking for. You can join an organization. You don't have to. That's just kind of there for you if you want. But so let's go and look for a project. There's a number of ways to do things. So you see there's a number of ways that you can do things. What we're going to do is you can search by project name or organization name, any of these factors that your project leader was able to associate with the project. But since I know which one I set up, I had the word test in it, and I'm just going to hit the apply button, and we should see, yep, and we boil down the search, and then you just click on the project. You see all the information, make sure it's the right one. This one requires me to be here weekly. It's an individual project with this test description. Yes, it's associated with the church. In fact, it's associated with the senior high youth ministry. That's kind of what I'm looking for. If I wanted to check out further, I could click on this link and see what info is about the church and info about the project leader. But really, this is one of the last things. You just hit join project, and yes, I do want to join the project. It gets informed via email, and automatically you see it jumps back to the student dashboard, and you see this is the project that you have selected. Now, if you realize it's wrong, you can just click this button, and it'll have you leave the project. So later on during the semester, when you want to fulfill the requirements of doing the updates, all you have to do is click this button and fill out a form, which I will show you what one looks like right now. And again, you're only required to do 2 of them, one at the beginning, one at the end. You're just going to put your name. I'm just going to put my name. And if you want to, you can select no for both of these if you don't want to share anything. But I highly encourage when you're doing your update, that's kind of what it's for. No one's required to share anything. So I'm just going to say, yeah, I have a fun story to share. This is a great demo, obviously. Fun Uh, this demo is really fun. Okay, so we're all having fun now. And if you had a photo you wanted to share, you could browse there and upload it and attach it to this as well. And here you just select some of the details. This is the only project I am currently signed up for, so it's automatically selecting that. And then if I'm planning to use this update for a class credit, which we are, you select yes. And I'm going to say I'm a part of Prac 201 for this 2009 fall semester. And no, I'm not finished with the project right now. You can save or preview. I'm going to hit save. And there you see my update. So again, all I need to do is have you do that twice, once anytime in the semester and one at the end, but as much as you can would be great. That way we can kind of keep tabs on what everybody's doing in our community. So thanks again. If you have any questions, you can always contact me by just hitting this contact button right here or just emailing me.